In this video, agents learn how to select and send documents for eSignature for free using Glide Signatures. Glide Signatures is free within transactions that contain a primary listing or buying agent who is a verified CAR member. Sending a document package for eSignature is a two-step process. Select the documents you want to send, review signature parties, and form tabs. There are three ways to select documents. You can work from the Documents page, Disclosures page, or Signatures page. Let's look at each option. Go to the Glide homepage and select a transaction. On the left menu, click Documents. On the Documents page, check the box next to each form you want to add to the eSignature package. Click eSign on the bottom menu. Here's the second option. Use this option to select some or all of the forms in the Disclosures package. Select a transaction and click Disclosures on the left menu. There are two ways to select documents. Select All or select Some. To select all, click the eSign button. To select some, check the box next to each form you want to send and then click eSign on the bottom menu. Here's the third option. Select the transaction and then click Signatures on the left menu. On the Signature Requests page, click the New Signature Request button. Scroll down to the Select Documents heading. Now you're ready to select documents. There are two ways to add documents: Upload and Insert. To insert a file, click the blank field, scroll through the list, and click a file name. The list shows the folder and file structure on the Documents page. If you need a specific file, but it's not saved on the Documents page, it won't appear here on this list. In this case, you have two choices: upload the file from your computer, or stop the workflow, go back to the Documents page, and add a file from the library. Forms you upload or insert display under the Select Documents heading. Repeat the steps to add documents to the package. Before you move on to the next step, you can review and customize choices on the Prepare Signature Package page. Make sure the Glide Signatures option is checked. Click the X icon to remove a file from the list if you want. Make sure you check two default options. Glide automatically checks the box to add signature tabs to PDF forms in the package. We suggest you leave this box checked. Glide pre-tabs form placements so agents don't have to do this step themselves. Uncheck the box to remove tabs from the forms before sending out the package. Glide automatically checks the box to replace the unsigned original with the signed version. We suggest you leave this box checked because it helps reduce the number of transaction documents you need to manage and avoids confusion about whether there are fully executed documents. Uncheck the box to save the signed form on Glide with a different file name and keep the unsigned form in the transaction. Now that you've selected the forms, you're ready to send the package for eSignature. In this step, confirm the list of people to receive the eSignature package. Click Continue at the bottom of the page. All relevant parties already existing in Glide will appear. By default, Glide sets listing side or buyer side transaction parties as need to sign, which means the clients you represent will receive the document package. Click the X icon to remove a party from the list of signers. At this stage, you can choose to add more parties as signers by clicking Add a Recipient. On the Preparation Tools page, you can scroll through the form and inspect the Signature, Initials, and Date tabs. Glide does not always pre-tab every area for signing and initialing. For example, when a request for initials is optional. If required, add tabs for any signing party on this step. On the left menu, click the arrow and select a party on the drop-down menu. Each signing party name is color-coded. Locate a place on the form that needs a signature, initials, or date, and then drag the corresponding tab to that spot. Release the mouse the tab is added to that location. To move a tab, click and drag the tab. To delete a tab, click the tab one time and then click Delete on the keyboard. After reviewing the tabs, click Continue at the bottom of the page. On the next page, you have one more chance to review the document package and recipients before sending it out for eSignature. Add a message, that's optional. Glide sends the package to each signing party for eSignature. That's it, we're done. In this video, agents learned how to create a document package and send it for eSignature.